Good day everyone. Today I will discuss you my topic which is sign language and finger spelling. I am Andre Luis Ororabutok and allow me to explain you my topic. Sign language is a unique and complete language system that relies on visual communication and body movements, facial expression, and sometimes lip patterns. It is mainly used by the members of the deaf and hard of hearing community. Well, according to Bentoro et al. 2023, sign language plays an essential role in the education of deaf learners because it allows them to fully access communication and learning. Unlike spoken language, sign language does not rely on sound. Instead, it uses hand shapes, gestures, facial expressions, and body movements to express meaning. It is not just a set of gestures. It has its own grammar and structure. So what is sign language? Sign language is a visual language. It uses hand movements, facial expressions, and body language. For example, in spoken English, we use the tone of voice to show emotion. In sign language, facial expression performs that function. If someone signs a sentence without the correct facial expression, the meaning can change completely. So this shows that sign language is linguistically rich and structured, not just like the spoken languages. Now let's move on to the finger spelling. Finger spelling is the use of hand signs to represent the letters of the alphabet. Instead of signing the whole word, the signer spells the word letter by letter using specific hand shapes. For example, if there is no specific hand sign for a name like Mark, the signer spells it using the manual alphabet M-A-R-K, Mark. In the USA, the most commonly used system is the American Sign Language or the ASL alphabet, which represents the 26 letters using one hand. When do we use finger spelling? Finger spelling is commonly used for names of people, names of place, technical terms, or words without an existing sign. For example, in an English class, if a new vocabulary word does not yet have a common sign equivalent, the teacher may finger spell it first before explaining the meaning. It is specially used for academic context where specialized vocabulary is common. So these are the alphabetical chart for the sign language. So common challenges in the sign languages. Despite its usefulness, there are challenges in learning sign language and finger spelling. The first is speed. Beginners struggle to recognize the letters when it's signed quickly. Hand position. Incorrect hand orientation can change meaning. And third, confusing letters. Some letters look similar, such as M and R in ASL. For example, the difference between the M and N depends on the number of fingers placed over the thumb. A small mistake can lead to misunderstanding. So this shows that accuracy and practice are very important. Why is finger spelling important? Well, finger spelling is important because it helps communication, it expands vocabulary, it supports inclusion, and it builds connection between the deaf and hearing individuals. In the Philippines, inclusive education policies encourage teachers to adapt strategies to diverse learners. Using the sign language awareness helps to reduce communication barriers and promote equity in English classrooms. And now, to conclude, sign language is a complete and meaningful language system that uses a visual communication. Finger spelling is an important component that represents letters of the alphabet and supports vocabulary development. In the ESL and EFL teaching, especially in the Philippines, incorporating Awareness of sign language promotes inclusion, supports diverse learners, and enriches the communication strategies. As future educators, understanding this language or sign language, even at the basic level, will help us to create classrooms in the inclusive and respectful and linguistically diverse. So that is all. Thank you very much.